It actually fit in through the door?
No, it didn't. I had to build it inside the car.
Wow, that's some dedication.
Took the passenger seat out, built it inside the car.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
What's going on, man? So, what's your name and what's in here?
Brandon Shockley. Many of you that are followers of JacobViral may know me as the guy with the blue car that had the single 18 and then the two 18s in the trunk. Well,
oh, yeah.
Regardless, we've changed things up, obviously. And we got two Sundown X V312s in the 6th order.
Wow.
The lower chamber tuned to 24 hertz, the upper chamber tuned to 50 hertz on two Wolfram 2400.1s of 1 ohm each currently, on a 45 amp hour Insight C-Max bank with a brand X250 alt. And then in the doors we've got 6 PRV MB 800s mid-bass speakers, 4 Crescendo UN horns. The 10s are on a PRV 6K. The horns are on a cab Audio Apex M4.
Did you build this?
I did.
Nice. How do you like the 6th order?
I love it.
Oh, yeah.
The design was done by Trey Cooper Designs, TC Designs. And I built her in about 2 weeks, just in time for the Sundown show. So,
how big is this box?
I don't remember exact cubic feet offhand.
It actually fit in through the door?
No, it didn't. I had to build it inside the car.
Wow, that's some dedication.
Took the passenger seat out, built it inside the car. Gonna pull the face of it off, readjust the bottom port for some tuning. Possibly add some volume in there just so I can add more power later on, because it's going to be going on a big ramp.
Okay.
Demo all day, which I demoed for about 5 hours straight earlier.
Wow, alright.
Before anybody says it, I am going to seal it off.
Okay.
Isn't it work?
So you're planning to seal it off right here?
Yes.
And maybe add some speakers or something?
No speakers. Okay. I think that's tacky to me personally, but it's going to be sealed off up here and up to the beat pillar all the way around.
Okay. And you're going to stay 2 subs?
Stay 2 subs.
Okay, alright.
May or may not, before Ruckus and Chills, have something bigger. Hopefully it surged 7K, but if not, it is what it is.
Yeah. Nice. Good doors, too. Yeah. They're good. What is this paint on here, this color? It's pretty nice.
This is unicorn spit gel stain diluted with water. And then over top of it is burnt linseed oil. That's what gives it that not so dry look.
Got it.
Not exactly wet like epoxy would give you.
Yeah.
This gives you a nice, how would you say, vintage look for the wood.
Okay. I'm gonna pop this up real quick. Just got a little picture. There we go. That looks good. Can I see back here first? So you got your PRV to kind of block the sun?
Yeah, block the sun and kind of cover up the amp brakes. They're a little bit of a mess.
Oh, they are?
I mean, it's just something I threw together for Sunday.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. Nice.
Young rich nigga. Migo!
Honorable Cena.
Young rich nigga, Quavo! She's a stripper, naked dancer, but she begging me to wife. When the first time I met your mama, she was a one-nighter. Hell no, I don't love nothing but my money and my wife. At the top like Alpha Tom, I told her, bitty, you would thought she was mine. She don't wanna be a freak no more. She don't wanna take money, geek no more. She don't even wanna split no more. She don't wanna be the fun. Young nigga walking straight in with the gun. I apologize. You know that my niggas, they witnessed you naked. You want me to tell her now? Oh no, no, no. She must be crazy. I know she a freak. I know that she freaking. I know she a freak, super freak. So please do not try to run game on me. I'm not a PlayStation. Please do not try to run game on me. I'm not a 360. This shit told me. She don't wanna be afraid no more. 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 Don't wanna be afraid no more. Don't wanna be afraid no more. She wondering how she gon' take care of the baby. Working that body, walking around naked. Telling me she wanna tie up the knot. Fuck her, then kick her right out of the spot. I don't know what the fuck up with these strippers. They don't have a house and don't have a vehicle. These bitches that shit, I forgot to mention. Coming down, what you think you drinking? Sneaking nigga, can I see your eyes? Fuck up for money, forget the time. Your daughter been seeing niggas in and out. You say your daughter got dick on your mouth. I know she a freak and I don't have a doubt. She a dirty bitch and I don't have a doubt. I know she a freak. I know that she freaking. I know she a freak. Super freak. So please do not try to run game on me. I'm not a PlayStation. Please do not try to run game on me. I'm not a 360. This shit told me. She on vacation, but she in Tennessee. I got a number, asked her what she doing later. She said she hit me on my second. I know she want to get my baby in the noise. You know what the fuck I got the men's wear bottles. I put the bitch in my facility. Told her my baby will be here to keep in the kitchen. After I whip all these chickens, I want you get naked and wash all these dishes. She fuck what she saw. And try to give me a gift, but she can't. She wanna hit my mother trouble double. Told that bitch pull your own mother trouble. I shouldn't have fucked her, that she ain't her feeling. I shot her about that and thought that I was been. I fell out of mama, you took her. Yeah, that's what she begging me to wipe. When the first time I met your mama, she was a one night. Hell no, nothing but my money and my wife. At the top like Alpha Tower, I told her, beat it, you would thought she was mine. She don't wanna be a freak no more. She don't wanna be no more. She don't even wanna be no more. She don't wanna be no more. I apologize. You know that my niggas, they witnessed you naked. You want me to tell her no? Oh no. She must be crazy. I know she a freak. I know that she freaking. I know she a freak. Super freak. So please do not try to run game on me. I'm not a PlayStation. Please do not try to run game on me. I'm not a Daddy kept on driving her crazy. She wondering how she got to get it baby. Fuck her, then kick her right out of the spot. I don't know what the fuck up with these strippers. They don't have a house and don't have a vehicle. These bitches that shit, I forgot to mention. You cuffin' that hoe, who you think you trickin'? Sneaking and geeking, I see your eyes. looking for money, but in the night, your daughter be seeing niggas in and out. You say your daughter got dick on your mouth. I know she a freak and I don't have a doubt. She a dirty bitch and I don't have a doubt. Dirty. I know she a freak. I know that she freaking. I know she a freak.
It's got really good bandwidth. The way you built the box bandwidth. Yeah.
This all here was demo all day, which I demoed for about 5 hours straight earlier.
Wow, all right. All right, man. Have a good day.
Appreciate you, Jacob.